I believe we can all agree that any business can grow if it's able to convert more customers. And here at Optivus Tech, we developed a tool that accelerates sales with solving two major issues. So the first issue our tool is solving is visualization of products. We believe that no store has all the products in stock all the time. The second issue we are solving is knowing what fits together and what doesn't. So we built a 3D configurator where in the first step you need to specify your firearm. And we went into great lengths to basically enable to specify everything to the last detail. And either we are talking about hunting rifles where you can basically specify all the way down to what is the color of the bolt head inside of the receiver, or handguns where with custom handguns you can basically choose material, color, shape of almost every single screw on the rifle. Let's say like this. And we did the same also for the AR rifles where there is almost infinite number of options. And normally you can specify any kind of AR you have. And once you did this, in the second stage, what we offer to users is that they add different accessories to their firearms. So let's say we add a scope, and now the tool already understands if the accessory can be mounted directly on a handgun or a rifle, or if it needs something in between, some mounting elements in between. So let's say with scopes, we know that we will need scope mounts in between. So let's say we choose a scope. And now the system will already offer us only scope mounts that fit. So it's calculating all the dimensional interactions on the fly. So now when we choose a scope, we'll get a scope that fits. And once we have this, we can also move any element in the assembly in all physically possible ways, so that you can be 100% sure that everything is as you wish. And on top of that, you can also measure all the distances, all the gaps, or possible collisions between different elements. You can also use a free measurement tool, which gives you the measurement at points which you are most interested in. And the same applies for handguns, where we offer external and internal accessories. And again, some of them can be mounted just directly. So we'll go with a gold one. And others need some mounting elements between them. So let's say with red dots, now the system will know that you need an adapter between these two, and it will offer you only the adapters that fit. And with AR rifles, you can imagine there is a whole universe of accessories which you can add to your rifle. And no matter which part you choose, you have a wealth of different products you can put on. Let's say a handguard adapter. The system already understands that this adapter needs an M-lock to be mounted on, and it searches for all the M-locks on the rifle, and then normally you can just move everything like physically possible. This system enables you to build really complex assemblies, and we believe it's really hard to visualize something like that without basically mounting everything together. But our tool solves that, and we believe it would accelerate sales a lot. On top of that, you can also simulate all possible movements to check if there are any collisions or any other unwanted problems that could occur from normal use of these products. So you can basically simulate all the movements, even let's say with clip-ons, you can simulate how they fit or don't fit. So, as mentioned, we believe this tool can accelerate sales because of its visualization, and especially because it understands what fits together and what doesn't. Let's say in this instance, we see that we have M-lock mounting surfaces on the handguard, and we also see that we have a Picatinny adapter on M-lock. So if you want to add something to the chassis, let's say a grip or a light or a laser, it already offers you both options, either grips with M-lock mounting system or with Picatinny. And if we choose the one with Picatinny, it will search for Picatinny surfaces in the system, and it will enable you to place the accessory there. So thank you for watching. I hope you found this interesting. We have 5 different applications of this technology, all the way from retail stores to firearm manufacturers, also for e-commerce shops, which we can integrate checkout capabilities directly into this system. So I would like to invite you to also check our other videos or to send us an email or use comments if you need more information.